Let's do a very simple sum, a very interesting one. Let's see the sum. It says that angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. That's it. This is given as 75 degree. Angle EDC is given as 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar by which test. So we can see two triangles. We have triangle ABC, the other one is triangle DEC. So we need to check whether these two triangles are similar. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. So let's see now. Right? Obviously, this is not going to be by SSS test, right? There is no side here, and it is not going to be SAS also. So there is only one test which is possible, that is going to be AA test of similarity. So one pair of angle, one triangle is going to be ABC, right? The other triangle is triangle DEC. In both the triangles, have you got one pair of angle which you can directly see congruent? It's so simple, angle B and angle D, right? Why? Because each is 75 degrees. So that is what we write. Angle ABC is equal to angle EDC, and both are congruent because each is 75 degree. Have you got one more pair of angle which is congruent? Check. You don't have the measure, but it is, because if you see that angle C, it is because it's a common angle. It's the same angle in both. That means we can say angle C is congruent to angle C, and the reason is common angle. I mean, now we can say yes, both the triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. But the question here is, right? The question here is, how do we write the correspondence between the vertices? Now, when it comes to AA test, believe me, it's very simple. Because whichever angles are congruent, those vertices correspond to each other. Now, that makes it easy. Now, we know that angle B is congruent to angle D. So, angle B is congruent to angle D. That means B corresponds to D, right? B corresponds to D. We have one more pair, yes, that is C is congruent to C. So C congruent to C, that means C corresponds to C. So now in this triangle, we have taken D, we have taken C. What is left? E. That remaining one is what we write. And we say that both the triangles are similar to each other by AA test of similarity. Was that easy for AA test of similarity? Very easy, right?